How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
First of all, open Messenger application, tap on setting and scroll down and go to the account center. Here you have to tap on your information and permissions. Tap on download your information. Tap on download or transfer. Select the account and tap on next. Tap on specific type of information and here select message. It may take longer time to download. Tap on next. Okay, so tap on download to device. Tap on next. So here the file is being ready and here you have to tap on create files and the file will be ready and will be sent to your Gmail or will be sent to your Facebook notification, and from there you will be able to download the file.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.